Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I received a couple different things from Nate Gate, one of my big supporters out there on my YouTube channel, and I support Nate as well. I check out his stuff. He's got some really cool stuff, and I love his enthusiasm. And he's developing really quick. You can see his videos have gotten better, and his information's gotten better, and I was on a live stream with him the other day, and he's trying to improve his technology, so way to go, Nate. So a week or so ago, Nate sent me a really nice card with some stuff in it, and I did a video on that. And I recently got another package from him, which I believe are stickers, which I'm really excited to see and put on my sticker board. So I decided to take those two videos, combine them into one, and here we go. So let's go ahead and look at the video from the card that he sent me. Well, I got some more friend mail sent to me. This is from Nate Gate. Really excited about this, Nate. I don't get a whole lot of friend mail, so I appreciate you sending me something. Alright, let me see about getting this open. Well, Nate wrapped this up here pretty darn good. Let me get out my knife for this one. I think I'm going to need to get under the lip here if I can. There we go. Alright, got that open. And let's see what Nate has to say. Get this out of here. There we go. Thank you. Whoa. Dear Talking Bullion, hey, I like your stickers. Would you like to do a sticker trade? I'm getting stickers soon. I hope you like the coins. From Nate Gate. Have a good day. Awesome, Nate. And by the way, I just mailed you out some stickers yesterday. So we worked that out online. You sent me an email, and I got those in the mail yesterday. So certainly when you get your stickers in, send me one. I'd love to have one. I'm collecting stickers as well. So let's take a look. It looks like we got 3 Wheaties, a Canadian, and a Canadian penny, and a Canadian nickel. So let me go ahead and get these off here. I'm trying not to destroy the card. I like to save my cards, so I don't get a whole lot of them. I treasure every one that I get. I don't want to scratch up these pennies either. That wouldn't make a whole lot of sense now, would it? Okay, cool. Well, just gotta make sure I don't cut these off here so I don't tear that lettering out of the... Got that there. Got that there. I'll leave this right here for now. And let's see what we have here. Let me see, I don't think I have my loop with me. I think I have that in another room, but let's hope these old eyes don't need it. Alright. Get rid of that tape. Let's see what we have here. We have a 1983 nickel, Canadian nickel. That's cool. I'll put it back on this side. And we also have, let me see if I can find that Canadian penny first, keep them together. Here is a 1976 Canadian penny. And let me go ahead and put these under the coin cam. I guess that would make sense, wouldn't it? So here's my, let me change the filter here on this coin cam. And let's go over there and see. Here's a nickel. Pretty cool. Not sure that black spot is. Oh, it came right off of there. I'm not sure what that is, but no big deal. And we'll flip it over and see the queen. Very nice. And this next coin we just looked at, I'll put this on so I've got the coin cam up. Put that over there. And for these I better switch back to that first filter because I think it'll show them better. It's going to be right there, yep. And maybe just a slight focus. Alright, cool. Let's look at the other side. And we all know that Canadian pennies are not made anymore. That's a 1976. Cool. Got the maple leafs on there. Let's go back to here and let's take a look at some of these other things. These Wheaties, these American Wheaties. Let's take a look at this one. 1957 it looks like, but Let's get under the coin cam and take a look at it over here. Looks like I'm out of focus a little bit still. Yep. Yep, 1957D. Very cool. Let's flip it over. See the wheat back here. 1 cent. Very nice, Nate. I really appreciate you sending these to me. That's really cool. Let's go back here. Put this over here. Let's see what our next one is. 1945 it looks like. No mint mark, so that would be a Philadelphia. Let's put it over here. Oh, my camera keeps losing focus for some reason. $1945. Lincoln. 1 cent. Very cool. I like that a lot. Very nice. Sending me wheatback pennies. I really like that. And here's the last one. 1952 it looks like. 1952 is a special year for me. I like 1952. Just that you know, it's not my birth year, but it's a special year for another reason. And well, this thing lost focus again. 1952. Flip it over. See the Wheatie. Awesome. Very, very cool. Well, thank you, Nate. I really appreciate you taking the time to send me out a card and to include some coins. I certainly didn't expect that. You didn't need to do that by any means. But I appreciate that you did. It's very nice, Nate. I really appreciate that. And like I said, you've got some stickers on the way. I sent you a few of them to give to your brothers as well. Thank you. Thank you again. I really appreciate it. And when you get your stickers, I'm definitely looking forward to receiving one. Appreciate it a lot, Nate. Alright, so that was really cool. Thanks a lot, Nate. I really appreciate all the stuff that was in there and the awesome card that you sent. So now, let's go ahead and take a look at this sticker. So, Nate obviously ordered some channel stickers and got them in and sent me one, which I really appreciate. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing open. I've got it on the back side for an obvious reason, but I'm going to be careful here. I don't want to be cutting his sticker. That would be a total bummer. So let's see what Nate sent me. Oh, I see it. Look at that. Wow, pretty cool. Wow, Nate, nice clean. Let's see what your note says. Talking Bullion. Here's my end of the deal. Love your stickers. Hope you like mine. Here you go. P.S. Love your magnets as well. Awesome. Well, thank you, Nate. I appreciate the handwritten letter. And of course, I do really like your sticker. How can you not like that? Look at that thing. That thing is really cool. Leaving some fingerprints on it. Nate Gate. So wow, really cool, Nate. Thank you for sending that along. I really appreciate it. That is an awesome sticker. I'm working on a sticker board, and I will proudly display your sticker on my sticker board as well. So thank you for the awesome sticker, Nate. I really appreciate it. Alright, so there you go. What do you guys think? Some pretty cool stuff from Nate Gate. Nate, keep it up. You got it going on, man. Really appreciate it. Again, love your enthusiasm. So that's really cool. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.